Hi guys, it is about 6:30 a.m. and I wanted to do a cloth diaper update, and this is the only time I had to film. So I'm going to fold some cloth diaper laundry and update you guys where we're at with our cloth diapering at 6 months with little Maya here. So we are still absolutely loving the Blueberry Simplex. This is our favorite diaper. But she has gone up on the rise setting, so she is in the middle of that. You just like to look at the camera, huh? Yeah. So she's in the middle of the rise setting. I do like to tuck the tongue inside because if she has a messy diaper, it's so much easier to spray off. And as you can see, that took just 2 seconds to do. We're using a couple of the Thirsties Natural, and I did a review on them about a year and a half, 2 years ago, and they weren't my favorite. I actually didn't really like them with my first product. But I'm liking them a lot more. They're still not my favorite, but we definitely are liking them a lot more, so I'm going to do a review on these again as well. I got this new wet bag. It's used, but it's new to me, and it's a lot bigger. It's the Planetwise large hanging wet bag, and I'm really liking this. I do like the quality of the buttons one, but it is quite a bit smaller, so I felt like I was overpacking that, and this is working a lot better for us.
I don't feel I have one. I wanna forget you, but only time.
So we have switched over to cloth pull-ups for Jade, and I will do a whole video on the different styles we're using and my reviews on those, but so far they're working out well. Another thing new is that we've been doing some cloth diapering at night. Before we had just been using disposables. I've given a few options a try, but nothing is really cutting it. The Grovia one, she leaks through after just a couple hours. The only thing that's worked is like a big pre-fold with a couple inserts inside as well, but for her size it was just too bulky. So right now we're still using a disposable with a cover over it, and that is working really well for now as I'm looking at getting into some more fitteds at this time. So I will keep you updated once I get some more fitteds to let you know how that's going. But for now we're just using a disposable with a cover over it at night. One last change, now that she's a little bit older, these small pre-folds are not cutting it anymore for absorption. So even when we tri-fold them, they're a little bit too short now that she's up on the middle rise and not quite absorbent enough. So we use them to just clean up spills. We are using just cotton flats. This is a Diaper Right cotton flat, and these work really well. And we're also using Green Mountain Diapers Yellow Edge, so it's the size up from the newborn. It's the size small, and those are even bigger than this flat. This is kind of a thin flat, and those are very absorbent. They're still a little bit bulky for her for tri-folding. I haven't really bought any new diapers at all, which is a huge change from when I was diapering Jade. I was kind of constantly switching diapers, so it's kind of nice to just have my stash and have it be simple. And yeah, we're really enjoying cloth diapering this time around, and I hope that was helpful. So not a lot has changed, just upping the size of the pre-folds and upping the size in the rise, and that's about it. Alright, I hope this was helpful, guys. Bye!